Good morning and welcome back to a new vlog. She's like, Mummy, you promised me we were going out of the house. I am ready, let's go. As you can tell, we are back home now, but A, because it is the most beautiful day today, and B, to combat the post-holiday blues, not going to lie, I think this one and I are going to go to our favourite coffee shop for her lunchtime walk. Obviously we will walk to the coffee shop, get the coffee, walk back to the, it's not just going to be a coffee shop. She will be, although to be fair, she loves a coffee shop. All those captive people, all the people that want to say hello, it's your favourite thing in the world, isn't it? But yes, I had better bundle her in the car, but I wanted to say hello before I just launched you into a little montage of us going for coffee. Should we go now? Yes. Shall we? Yes. Shall we? Okay. Yes, let's go. I don't want to get carried away and throw the S word around. But look at this. Gorgeous. Good morning, my friends. Well, after the most insane sunrise, I decided that it was time to make a bit of homemade granola. I love doing this because it's just the easiest thing in the world and it's so delicious. So, first of all, we're starting off with some porridge oats, and I used about 2 cups of these. Adding some macadamia nuts. These are so good in a granola. They just, when you put them in the oven, they just get the most wonderful texture. And then some chia seeds. These are just fabulous for a bit of added fibre. And then just some mixed nuts. I love these. These are all from Aldi, by the way, and they're just fabulous. So I added 2 handfuls and then just finished the packet. And then a seed mix. Basically, the goal of this granola is to chuck in as many different things as possible. And again, I just measured this by eye. And then give that all a good mixy mix before adding a pinch of good quality salt. Now it's time for the wet ingredients. So first of all, I'm going to use a bit of olive oil. This just really helps it go lovely and crispy. You don't taste it, don't worry. Before adding in some honey. Now with honey, just go for the best one that you can afford. The quality of the honey does make a big difference when you make this recipe. So yeah, just go for the best one that you can and you will be grand. I'll have all the quantities listed in the description box below, so just check that out. And then the best ingredient, it's time for the almond butter. Now, obviously you can use any nut butter of your choice. I just prefer almond. I'm not a massive fan of peanut butter, to be honest. I just absolutely love almond. But yeah, peanut butter, cashew butter, anything like that will do. And then give that all a really, really, really good mix. Next up, you want to spread it out on a baking tray. I didn't have a huge amount of the nuts and things because I knew that we were running out. So I only did a small amount. Normally I would fill this tray. And then in the oven at 150 degrees for about 40 minutes, but check on it regularly. I highly recommend having some snuggles whilst you wait. And there we have it. This makes your whole house smell absolutely incredible. And the challenge is waiting until it's cooled enough for you to eat it. Enjoy. Good morning, my loves. I will actually talk to you properly now. Forgive me doing a bit of a voiceover for the granola. It was early in the morning, okay, and I didn't feel like being in front of the camera quite yet, but I was also hungry and wanted to make some granola. So I thought I would share it with you. I had some for my breakfast with a bit of Greek yogurt and it was absolutely delicious. Honestly, it is, I don't know why I haven't done it before. It's one of those things where like, I need to eat breakfast, okay? I'm one of those people, I have to have breakfast. But a lot of the time, breakfast foods are like super carb heavy, and that just doesn't really suit me and my body very well. So I was like, I need something else, but like I want a bit of carb. And making granola, honestly, you will never taste granola as good as you can make at home. Okay, I will die on that hill. Absolutely phenomenal. But whilst I was enjoying my lovely granola, a parcel arrived. This was sent to me. I'm under absolutely no obligation to post it, but I have worked with Wildmint before, so just thought I would put that out there. But they've sent me a lovely little box of goodies, so I thought we would unbox it together. And I actually was able to choose these bits, so it was fun kind of going through their website and seeing what I fancied. Some of their products are buy one get one free at the moment, and one of those products was their Deo Delight Tea Tree Deodorant Balm. Now, I have been very intrigued by more kind of natural deodorants for deodorant, difficult word, and for quite some time. And they're often quite expensive. And the thing that I've heard against them, which is the main thing that sort of put me off using them, is that they leave a lot of white marks on your clothes. Now, I'm a musician, I have to wear black for work, and the last thing I want is to, you know, be getting ready for a concert. Normally, you know, I've got my concert clothes in a bag, I don't have an alternative with me, putting my black top on and ending up with loads of white marks. So I am going to test this. Like I say, I do actually have 2 of them. So to be honest, I'll probably send this one to my sister, because I know that she's also been intrigued about the natural deodorant life. But I will give this a test. It's very like creamy. Oh, I like that. So it literally just, it smells like tea tree. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so I'm gonna test this and get back to you. If it leaves white marks, I will tell you. I will also tell the Wildmint team. I will be honest in my feedback of that. So excited to try it. I love how they sort of wrap everything up like a little present. It's so exciting. Oh yes, so this is their Youth Boost Multivitamin Refining Serum. And I got this one because I've run out of hyaluronic acid serum, and I love hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. They are my 2 sort of ingredients that I see the biggest difference in my skin when I use. And I've run out, so I wanted a new one. And so when I saw that Wildmint had one, I was like, ooh, oh, it's like a gel consistency. All right, I don't have anything on my skin at the moment, so, oh, that's nice. Oh yes, skincare glow. We love a skincare glow. Oh, that is actually really lovely. BRB, just gonna put some of this on for a while. Oh, that's really nice. You can see it gives you that real kind of glass skin glow, but it's absorbed really quickly. A beauty boosting and skin elixir formulated with vitamins A, C and E, hyaluronic acid and a blend of plant-powered seed oils. The serum works deep into pores for a firmer, plumper, more refined complexion. Apply daily to clean skin and gently massage until absorbed. Well, I have done that and it's completely, my skin feels a tiny bit tacky now, but a little bit of moisturizer over the top will sort that right out. Lovely. And then, this is really sad, but these are the items I'm probably most excited about, which, I mean, I don't, you know, they're not the most exciting really, but I got 2 little pouches of these reusable cotton pads. Now, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 8 in a little pouch, and I got 2 because I use this kind of thing every single night to take my makeup off. I always use like either a hot cloth cleanser, or I've got like a cleansing balm at the moment. That's my preferred makeup removal method, or just, you know, skin cleaning method. And all the cloths that I've had are just looking a little a little past their best. And so I thought this would be a lovely treat to have some fresh ones, and they're just got a little Wildmint logo on, and they are so soft, they feel lovely. And I semi got them for the little pouches because my kind of system, if you like, is that I will have one pouch hanging up by the sink with clean like cloths in, and then I have another pouch hung up beside it with the ones that I've used. And at the moment, those pouches are not very, they're just not very pretty, you know? And I figured, why not? I can have two that match and will just look quite nice next to the sink. Because bathrooms are so hard, I find, to make them look and feel like really nice places to be. When we move, we're going to be sort of redesigning the bathroom in that house. And I'm so excited just to really create a space that's lovely to be in. Because, you know, you start and you end your day in the bathroom, like getting ready or like taking off your makeup, doing your teeth, whatever. And I just think it can really set the tone. And so, yeah, little things like this make a difference to me. And if they make a difference to you, then welcome, we can be friends. So thank you, Wildmint, for working with me and also just sending me some very lovely things. So I'm not quite sure what we're doing today. It's a Saturday, I've got work tomorrow, but we do have some house viewings happening today. So I think I'm just going to spend a bit of time zhuzhing and making the place feel lovely and welcoming so that hopefully somebody will want to rent it from us. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Hello, my loves. I wanted to, first of all, finish this vlog off, but also give you a bit of an update on the Wildmint natural deodorant, because for lots of factors, this vlog has taken place kind of over 2-3 weeks. It's been a little bit of a patchwork job, but I hope you've enjoyed it. But that means that I have been trying this out for a little while, and I have to say, I'm really impressed. I have on purposely tried to get white marks down myself. Like, I have a black sports bra and I properly like wiggled into it, if you know, you know, and it didn't leave any marks on it at all. Now, obviously, they do say that this is not an antiperspirant, and obviously I am trying it in the winter. So, you know, a little bit difficult to truly test that, but I do go to the gym quite a bit. I run, and I think this does have a little bit of an antiperspirant kind of effect to it. They don't advertise that, but that's been my personal experience of it, which has been nice. Because it's not generally a huge problem for me anyway, but it's always nice to have a little bit of support. The only thing I will say is if you don't have one of these little spatula thingies, this is a Wildmint one. I think they sell them for like £1 on the website, I think, but you know, you can get them lots of places. If you don't have one of these, I would definitely get one, just because it is quite a solid texture, and you kind of have to like scoop it out and then warm it up on your fingers before you apply it. So having one of these makes life so much easier. So yes, I thought if that is useful to anybody, a little bit of an update. I've genuinely been really impressed with this. I'm going to be interested to see how long this lasts, because obviously it is significantly more expensive, although to be fair, cheaper than other natural deodorants I've seen, but it is significantly more expensive than like an aerosol deodorant or something like that. So I will look back on when this arrived and I will see how long it lasts, and I will let you know, because obviously if it doesn't last, you know, it's got to work out well. You know, we don't want to be throwing our money away unnecessarily. But yes, I genuinely have been really impressed with this, and yeah, which has been a pleasant surprise. Just, you know, you hear such varied things about deodorants, and I know there are so many brands of them out there at the moment, so I thought I would throw my 2 cents into the ring. But I really hope you have enjoyed this video. I am going to be filming a really exciting video very soon, which I think is the one you will see next. And it's going to be basically a bit of a deep dive into my jewellery collection, and I've got some really sentimental and interesting pieces, and a couple of new bits to show you. So yes, I'm really excited to film that, and I hope you have a lovely weekend if you are watching this when it comes out, and a lovely whatever time, day, situation you're in right now. So I will see you guys super soon. Bye.